Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that story about a dog, and today we're going to make a craft about a dog. So what you're going to need is a brown piece of paper, a black scrap of paper, and a red scrap of paper, scissors, glue, a marker, and googly eyes. Okay, so the first thing you do is you take your brown piece of paper, you fold it in half, and then on this crease, you're going to draw a heart. So you need the heart to come off of the crease, and then meet back up with the crease, just like this. So when you open it, it'll look like this. So you make it kind of angled with the crease. Then you cut that out, leave it folded while you cut. Okay, we're gonna make mine a little fatter. Okay, just like this. That way it opens up this way. Okay, so the next thing you do is you want to take your brown piece of paper again, and you need to cut 2 teardrop shapes. Just like this. See? And these will be his ears. So you're going to put his ears right here. So we can go ahead and glue those down. Glue them right to the top. You can make them floppy ears, you can make them stand up. There's all types of dogs. Okay, see, just like this. And it still opens up. Okay, so you're gonna take your black piece of paper, you're going to make a triangle out of it, a small one for his nose. Let's see, yep, perfect. See, so it'll go right here for his nose, so we're going to glue that down. And make sure that the tip of it matches up with the bottom of your heart. You're going to take 2 googly eyes, glue them down above his nose, he's almost done. With your red piece of paper, that's going to be his tongue. So you just need to cut out a tongue shape, just like this. And then you'll open it up, lay it down flat, and you'll glue it to the inside on the back of where his nose is. You can make his tongue however long you want. Some dogs have really long tongues. Okay, just like this. We're nearly done. With your marker, you can add some little freckles to each side or some whiskers. And we're done. And now, since it opens up, you can make it a card and you can hand it to someone that you love. I hope you enjoyed this dog craft, and we'll see you next time.